Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you step by step how to download and install DaVinci Resolve 19 on your Mac. If you find this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. DaVinci Resolve is an amazing free video editing program, and getting it set up is super easy. So, let's get started. First, open up a web browser. I'll be using Brave, but you can use any browser you like. Now, go to a search engine and type in DaVinci Resolve. Scroll down until you find the official website, which is Blackmagic Design. They're the developers of DaVinci Resolve. Click on that link to open the website. Once you're on the page, scroll down until you see the free download option. Click on it. You'll notice there are two versions, the free version and the studio version, which is paid. Since we're downloading the free version, select Mac OS X. Now you'll need to fill in your details before downloading. Once you've entered your information, click Register and Download, and make sure to allow the download when prompted. The file size is around 3 GB, so depending on your internet speed, it may take some time to complete. Once the download is finished, open Finder, go to your Downloads folder. Extract the zip file and double-click the DMG file to start the installation. Next, double-click Install Resolve, and the installation window will open. Click Continue. Read through the information, then click Continue again. You'll need to agree to the license terms, so select Agree, then click Continue once more. Now, click Install and enter your Mac password when prompted. The installation process will begin, and once it's complete, you'll see a message confirming that it was successful. Click Close, and when asked, select Move to Bin to delete the installer file. Now, let's launch DaVinci Resolve. Click on the search icon at the top right of your screen, type DaVinci Resolve, and press Enter to open the app. You can now create a new project, add media, and start editing right away. And that's it. That's how you download and install DaVinci Resolve 19 on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.